Many young adults struggle with snacking smartly without overspending. Let's dive into budget-friendly snack prepping that saves both time and money. Consider buying in bulk. Dry goods like nuts, seeds, and oats are cost-effective and provide nutritious options. Use fresh, seasonal fruits and veggies available locally. They're not only cheaper, but also fresher and full of flavor. Batch prep homemade hummus or yogurt dips over the weekend to pair with crunchy veggies for on-the-go snacks throughout the week. Finally, don't forget to leverage freezer-friendly options. They extend the shelf life of bulk purchased items. With these strategies, Gen Y and Z can manage snack cravings without breaking the bank while enjoying wholesome, tasty alternatives.